There's a new adding to the ranks of the National Guard of Kazakhstan. 360 recruits took the oath today. They have vowed to serve the motherland faithfully and endure the hardships of service. This ceremony began with the laying of wreaths at the monument to the soldiers who died at the Tajik Afghan border. Then was followed a triple-gun salute, a minute of silence to honor of the fallen of the line of duty, and a solemn march. For me, it is an honor to defend my motherland. Today, it is a great holiday for us. We have taken an oath. I think it will remain in our hearts forever. The day of taking the oath is the starting point. From this moment on, they become full defenders of the fatherland. We are confident that soldiers who stand in order to replace those who are retiring in stock will take its rightful place and perform for all tasks that lie ahead to the National Guard. It means the protection of public order, protection of critical facilities, and correlation institutes.
Национальной гвардии. Это охрана общественного порядка, охрана особо важных объектов.